Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the My Magic Wand G-Spot P-Spot wand attachment. So let's get started. So this is the wand attachment itself, and it's suitable for both G-Spot and P-Spot stimulation, for something for him and for her, and of course for couples as well. Now this is shown here in the colour turquoisey green, and it's also available in a variety of other colours as well. It has wonderful, beautiful stimulating nubs just here as well for extra stimulation during use. It's been specially designed for G-spot and prostate stimulation for an intense climax. It's completely made of a body-safe silicone material, which feels soft and is also flexible as well. It's really simple and easy to place on top of your wand vibrator. Here we have the My Magic Wand vibrator. What you're going to do is gently push it on top like so, and push down until it's completely encased on the wand like so. It's on, stable and ready to go and enjoy. It's also really simple to take off. Gently pull on either side and push up as well. See, it's now off. Really simple and easy to do. Now we would recommend to clean this both before and after use, and you can also use a water-based lubricant as well for extra optimal comfort during use as well. And of course we'd recommend to clean it with a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Here are some useful measurements about this attachment. It has a total insertable length of 8.5 centimeters and a maximum diameter of 2.8 centimeters with an inner diameter of 4 centimeters. And that is the My Magic Wand G-Spot P-Spot wand attachment. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.